What the boy is doing over there is he's cleaning up the pin for the caliper, which, you know, this truck has been parked for a while over dirt, so all the humidity has caused a bit of corrosion. So what he's cleaning up is the pin so that the caliper can retrace as you release the pedal. That is what the boy is doing, trying to make it look like this so that we can have proper brake pad wear. Alright, so we got this caliper situated, pins re-greased and clean. Put some grease over the piston the pistons of the caliper, so, you know, prevent some corrosion. ¿Cómo está, doña? And in the process, discovered uneven brake wear, meaning it wasn't braking at all from the left side. These guys were also suffering with uneven braking. One side was completely to the metal, frozen. As you see, the hardware froze on here. The mechanic I paid didn't properly do their job, and it almost cost me, man, sometimes people suck.